Hey guys, Trent here from How To Haven with a quick tutorial for you, and today I'm going to be showing you how to swap Warsaken's loot token for wax. And the easiest way to do that is on a decentralized exchange. So you can head over to wax.alcor.exchange and go to the markets. At the time of making this video, loot is not on the swap tab here, so you have to go to the markets to find it, and you can look for the pairing here, which is loot to wax. And here you can see the chart and the buy and sell orders up here. And from here you can actually buy your loot. And you can either do a limit or market trade, just like buying stocks. Limit lets you set the price. Market just gets you the best available price. So what you can do is say I want to trade half a wax and buy some loot. And now you see I've placed my buy order. And now it's gone through. So I don't really want this, but so I can sell it back same way. And just make sure you confirm. Now the sell order has been placed, and boom. You've just swapped loot to wax and wax to loot. Quite easy. If you don't like Alcor Exchange, there's another website you can use called DeFiBox. So you can head over to wax.defibox.io. And this one is a little more friendly. User-friendly. You can't really set limit orders here. There's only a swap tab. And then you can look for the loot token here. And it's exactly the same thing. So you want to buy some loot. Boom. I've just swapped for loot. Boom. And then you can hit that button and vice versa. I don't want any of this. So you can get rid of it same way. Anyways, guys, if this helped you, please leave a like. And thank you.